Adding your Tesco credit card to Apple Wallet, a step-by-step guide. Want to use your Tesco credit card with Apple Pay? It's easy. First, ensure your card is issued by Tesco Bank and supports contactless payments. Most do. You'll also need an iPhone 8 or later, or a compatible iPad or Apple Watch. Open the Wallet app on your device and tap the plus icon. Select Add Credit or Debit Card. You can then scan your card or enter the details manually, including the card number, expiry date, CVV, and your name. The next and crucial step is 3D Secure verification. This is where Tesco Bank verifies your identity. 3D Secure, or 3DS, is a security protocol that adds an extra layer of protection when adding your Tesco credit card to Apple Wallet. Tesco Bank requires it to comply with UK regulations. Here's how it works. When you add your card to Apple Wallet, Tesco Bank will send you a one-time password via SMS, an app notification from the Tesco Bank app, or prompt you for biometric confirmation like Face ID or Touch ID. This is part of EMV 3DS 2.3, which provides strong security for online and mobile transactions. Input the OTP or complete the biometric check as prompted. For example, you might see a fingerprint or face scan on your iPhone. Successful verification tokenizes your card. This means a secure digital version of your card is created and stored safely in Apple's Secure Element chip, ready for contactless payments. If the 3DS verification fails, simply retry the process or contact Tesco Bank support for assistance. Remember, 3DS is mandatory for initial setup, ensuring your card is securely added to Apple Wallet for safe contactless payments.